Hey there! Today we're going to dive into a common problem that users might encounter when working with Tor on Debian. The issue at hand is the absence of a log file in the designated directory. Quite a problem, isn't it? Now let's get into the solution. To enable writing logs to a log file, you'll need to make a quick adjustment in the etctortorrc file. You simply have to uncomment the line that reads log notice file var_log. Remember, it's crucial to opt for the notice level to prevent sharing sensitive data with potential attackers. Next up in our solution journey is the crucial step of restarting the Tor service. To achieve this, just run the command sudo systemctl restart Tor. This action will ensure that your changes take effect in the log file, starts capturing the necessary information. And now for the final touch, let's talk about monitoring and viewing the Tor logs. You can easily achieve this by utilizing the command sudo tail f var_log. It allows you to keep an eye on the log file and stay informed about the system's activities in real time. To wrap things up, we successfully tackled the issue of enabling Tor logs on Debian. By making the necessary adjustments in the configuration file, restarting the Tor service, and monitoring the logs, you're all set to navigate the Tor environment smoothly. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below. Catch you in the next one.